Hey, what's up guys? RC Hobby Steve here. I have an awesome package sitting here on my workbench that I want to share if you guys just got it today. So a couple weeks back I participated in a giveaway that was going on somebody's Instagram page. I'll make sure to leave their link to their page down below in the description. He did a giveaway and I saw it, decided to participate. I didn't think I was gonna win, but lo and behold, a couple days went by. So when he went ahead and messaged me on Instagram, was like, "Hey dude, congrats, you won my giveaway. I want to share with you guys what I exactly won." So this is pretty cool. Shout out to Rc4wd. Appreciate you sending this out to me. Alright, so I have won a set of RC 4-wheel drive and Turco Super Swampers 1.9 TSL Boggers. These are scale tire. They are also Advanced X3 compound. I'm gonna take it out of the package so you guys can see it up close. So here are the tires up close. Really nice tire. They do sit pretty tall as well, as you can tell. But I think this is gonna suit the Jeep really well. Still have to do some modifications to this Jeep, touch it up a little bit. I'll probably add a new coat of paint, same color, just to cover up all those white spots that I have from damaging the body. And I have to sand this flat here. Probably gonna do some more body armor. Probably gonna wrap it around all the way to here and stop it right here. Yeah, I'm working on a brand new trunk. So yeah, so for today's project, besides doing these tires, I'll probably do the tires at another point. I am going to be doing this, but this will be coming up in another video. Explain how I got this, what I'm doing with it, so on and so forth. So be sure to hit up my Instagram because I'll be posting a lot of updates on what I'm doing on this today, and then a video will come hopefully when I'm done with it to explain like my thought process and etc. So thanks again guys for stopping by. If you have any input on these tires, any comments, questions, whatever, feel free to leave it down below, and I'll catch you in the next one.